What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Guys, we finally made it home after a terrible drive on our way back. But we still have good memories about our holiday, so hopefully you enjoy our last part of our holiday video. Okay guys, so we're enjoying the beach. It's time to get on the Seadoos, go to Peschiera, and maybe go to Sirmione as well. That's where we're heading. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment down below, and also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. Unfortunately guys, it's time to go home now. Okay guys, so we're down southern Germany and the following thing happened. The pulley of the auxiliary belt froze. So we got a big problem. Okay guys, so we are 2 days down the road. Unfortunately we couldn't get any parts to get our Dodge fixed, so we got this VW Passat as a rental with a tow hook as well. So yesterday late at night we finally got the Seadoos, went to this hotel, got some sleep. Now it's time to travel back to Holland in 7 hours. As you see guys, the way back was terrible for us. Our pulley broke of the serpentine belt. Luckily we got a new one, and as you can see, our Dutzy is still not back. He's still enjoying holiday in Munich, but hopefully in the coming 2 weeks he's coming back so we can put the new pulley on, because we're going to put that truck to work, because we got big projects coming up. Make sure to stay tuned to see what projects are coming. Make also sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you guys in the next video.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.